rising oil prices, market volatility, high inflation, and a lot more. People are worried about SIPs, mutual funds, their future, and the future of their investments. But let me ask you an important question. If a storm comes tomorrow, would you rather stand in an open field or inside a strong, structured home? Because uncertain times do not destroy everyone equally. Those who are exposed or unprotected are the ones who are hurt the most. In other words, unstructured investments are the ones who are prone to confusion, chaos, and huge losses. And today, I want to explain mutual fund investing using the simplest analogy, that is, building a house. Imagine you want to build your dream home. What happens if you only have paints, but no foundation or no plan? Or you have expensive furniture with a weak pillar without the place to keep it. One strong storm and the entire structure is going to shake and fall down, or you are going to waste the resources you have without plan. Many people invest exactly like this: random SIPs, random tips, random funds, no structure, no plan. And when market falls, fear starts to creep in, feeling bigger than logic. So today, instead of discussing the best mutual funds available, let's discuss something more important. That is how to view a wealth structure, the one that protects you. Pillar 1 is emergency fund. The first thing before building a house is the plan and the foundation. In investing, your foundation is emergency fund because markets are uncertain, jobs can change, expenses can surprise you, life does not ask for permission. But when you have emergency fund, you don't panic during market fall or any other emergency. This is why many people don't lose money because of markets alone. They lose money because they are forced to stop investing at a wrong time. Investing is not all about understanding numbers, it also includes psychology and knowing oneself. A strong foundation gives emotional stability, and emotional stability is underrated in investing. The second pillar is asset allocation. Now, imagine building a house without pillars or just one pillar. Sounds risky, right? But many portfolios lack balance. They either have only small caps or mid caps or only one sector or some suggestion where random equities are picked. Or worst still is chasing returns. A good structured balanced fund or portfolio has different parts. Equity is invested for long term growth, debt is used for stability, cash is used for flexibility and liquidity, gold is for protection. This is called asset allocation, simple concept with massive impact. During uncertain times, asset allocation matters more than finding the perfect fund. Please check your portfolio and see whether it is balanced enough to protect you during times when the market doesn't work the way you expect. Pillar 3 is SIP. Talking about systematic investments, people think wealth is built through one big decision. Once you decide the SIPs, it's over. But most wealth is actually built quietly, brick by brick, that is, step by step. An SIP is not one time do it yourself project. It is simple discipline investing with regular checks and reviews. Some months market go down, some months markets fall, but disciplined investing with the right plan creates consistency. And remember, you are investing only a small part of your monthly income through SIPs, not your entire life savings in one fund. So, temporary market movements does not mean your financial future is over. Did this realization make you feel a little better? Well, volatility feels scary in short term, but disciplined investing often matters more in long term. Pillar 4 is insurance. No matter how beautiful a house is, you still build protection around it. In financial life, insurance is that protection because one medical emergency can destroy years of investing progress. Insurance does not create wealth. That's true. It protects the wealth building journey. When stress is reduced, you will be able to make decisions better. That's peaceful investing. Pillar 5 is the most important pillar, that is patience, the roof of the house. In investing, it's called patience. People want quick wealth. That expectation is often connected with other emotions and experiences in life. But markets have never moved in straight lines. There will always be fear, news, elections, war, inflation, global uncertainties, and many more confusing times. But wealth is usually built by people who stay calm during uncertainties, not by people trying to predict everything and reacting to every move. The goal is not to remove uncertainty from the markets. That's not possible. The goal is to build a structure strong enough to survive uncertainties. Let's summarize what we discussed so far and simplify things. The wealth structure should have at least these five pillars, that is, the emergency fund that acts like foundation, asset allocation which acts like pillars of a building, systematic investments which acts like small portions which builds huge home, that is bricks, that is monthly, insurance which acts like a safety wall during emergency, and above all, the place where all of these rest is the roof, which is patience. Without having a suitable structure, your investments will suffer because every market fall feels scary, emotions come up when it is not needed, which leads to losses. Where there is no clarity, there is financial insecurity, and also stress leads to a lot of other problems, financially as well as non financially. But with structure, you stay calm while the markets move in different directions. Your money grows with discipline. You safeguard your financial security for you and your family. And most importantly, the confidence of making financial decisions will only improve with structure and plan. If this video changed the way you think about investing, then don't just chase returns. Build structure that is unique to your life. Because real wealth is not built through predictions, it is built through preparations. This video was made in order to check your thinking process and test if you are on the right path. I'm sure most of you will be. However, detailed and customized plan for each individual investor cannot be summarized in a short video. It definitely needs your time and effort. If you want to learn more about mutual funds and investing in simple, practical and peaceful way, check our detailed courses where every concept has been explained from basics to advanced level in simple language. You will be able to make financial decisions with confidence and without fear. Take some time to learn. This knowledge will serve you a lifetime. Please like, share, subscribe to Peaceful Investors, and yes, don't forget to comment because I would love to hear from you. Wishing you a peaceful investing journey. Thank you.